Some days, the sun shines so bright that your thermometer is about to shatter. It feels like it's easier to sweat than to collect your thoughts. So what's the remedy to make it through a scorching day? The cold mineral water will quench your thirst, the lime juice replenishes your electrolytes, and the tequila will take your mind off the heat. For this drink, using Topo Chico is a requisite. You will need room for the rest of the band members, so take a swig of water to make some space. Next, juice half a lime. This is about half an ounce. This is a cocktail where an agave-forward, well-rounded, gentle, and additive-free tequila shines. Use a funnel if you need to, but a jigger and a steady hand will do. Next, the tequila. Ask yourself, how's my day going? For an easy day, add 1 ounce of tequila. For a tough one, 2 ounces. Here I'm using a Fortaleza Blanco. Finally, a gentle stir. As an option, garnish it with a lime wedge. It should fit comfortably snug in the neck. If it doesn't, trim some of the edge off the lime. And there you have it, a ranch water in a bottle. Refreshing, spirited, inconspicuous.